केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ।
सही दाम मतलब केसरिया।
Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesara Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm just gonna showing some of the beautiful newly arrived western trendy collection, guys. So please watch the video from start to till the end. Many of your concepts you may not seen or you have seen in any other YouTube's or through mediums companies videos, but today's in our company I'm just showing only beautiful some of the collections. Please watch the video from start to till the end. If you're gonna be miss, then you're gonna be miss some of the info about our concepts. So guys, first of all, in my hand in these kind of variety you will be get some of the beautifully well elevated some of the occasional wear concepts, guys. See, beautifully sequenced work, threading work, and some of the beautiful concept. These kind of the concepts you will be get in this variety. See, and according to the some of the contrasting bottom wear also, and you're going to be seeing this kind of beautiful dupattas also. See, whatever the concepts we may showed you, that all the concepts you will be get 6 to 7 different pieces, guys, because many of the concepts you may like, that many of the comments are that please sir, please provide me a single piece items. For sorry for them, we not provide you single pieces, guys. You have to purchase in a set wise. I'm repeatedly saying in all our video because viewers will be new. For them, I'm just only giving the details. In next item, you're going to be see some of the beautifully elevated concept. See, these are one of the highly appreciated in the e-commerce platform, guys. One of the major running product in our Kesariya Textile Company, in particular Western Trendy Collection, guys. This is one of the hot selling item, guys. You're going to be seeing in this variety. You have 6 to 7 different color shades also, but I'm giving you that these kind of varieties, in particular on this fabric, on this color, you have to purchase 20 to 30 pieces also, or 40 pieces also, or 50 pieces also. So no need to worry about. See, in these kind of dupattas also you will be get contrasting design dupatta also you will be get. See, next variety, many these kind of beautiful concepts like well occasional and well threaded traditional kind of concepts you will be get with the golden zaried work and some of the sequenced work. See, beautiful concept, guys. And you will be get these kind of bottom wear concepts also. See, and dupatta also with the matching contrasting designing dupatta. 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting each variety. See, and many of our viewers, they are asking that if we are not able to come, then how will we get your product? For them, I have to say, you have to just call the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections in the form of PDF with particular range also. On that PDFs, you have to select as your likable product and send it to our sales executive person. And for them, and you have to get better assurance, then we have provide video call facility also. On that video call facility, whatever the product our sales executive will be showing you, the same product you will have to select it, and the each product, whatever the items you have to select it, the same exact product will be delivered at your own doorstep. So no need to worry about our product delivery system. We provide you worldwide shipping concept also, guys. And last but not the least, one of the beautiful concept. See, talking about the ranges 300 to 400, 500, that kind of ranges will be starting in our Western Trendy collections, and it will be go on like 1500, 2000, 800, these kind 999, these kind of the ranges it will be go on, and you will be getting these kind of bottom wear also matching contrasting design according to the kurti. And you will be getting these kind of dupattas also. See, and if you're going to be like in these kind of heavy concepts, then also you have to where you are welcomed here. See, in these kind of concepts you will be get different types of colors also, so no need to worry about colors. On this you will be get matching contrasting bottom wear also, and in these kind of dupatta also. See, there will be not, I am showing fully openly because there will be not any single damages or defectives in our product. Because of that I am showing open, and whatever the concepts you may like, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. So guys, in this video that's all. Please give your precious opinions, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की मुहिम है कि वो बनाएंगे आपको कपड़ों का कामयाब व्यापारी। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए अगर आप एक्स्ट्रा इनकम चाहते हैं। आप नौकरी करते हैं, आप हाउसवाइफ हैं, आपकी दुकान है या कोई बुटीक चलाते हैं या फिर रिटायर्ड पर्सन है, अगर आप व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल से जुड़िए। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल एक लीडिंग टेक्सटाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर है जो आपको देगा सब कुछ, मेंस वेयर, वुमेन्स वेयर, किड्स वेयर में सब कुछ, जैसे साड़ी, कुर्ता, सूट, लहंगा, ब्लाउज, दुपट्टा, ड्रेस मटेरियल, बॉटम वेयर, सब कुछ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा हर टेस्ट का, हर फैशन का प्रोडक्ट एक ही छत के नीचे, ताकि आपको अपना व्यापार करने में आसानी हो। स्वयं का व्यापार कीजिए, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम ही नहीं, बिल्कुल एक असली सफल व्यापारी की तरह, ताकि आप नाम और दाम दोनों कमाएं। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपको देगा वाइडेस्ट रेंज, उम्दा क्वालिटी, बेस्ट प्राइस, ट्रांसपेरेंट व्यवहार और इफेक्टिव आफ्टर सेल सर्विस। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करने का मतलब है स्काई इज द लिमिट। कम से कम लागत और कम से कम समय में ज्यादा से ज्यादा मुनाफा कमाएं केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ। अगर आपकी शॉप है, बुटीक है, आप घर से कपड़ों का व्यापार कर रहे हैं तो केसरिया टेक्सटाइल आपकी मदद करेगा आपके व्यापार को दुगुना, तिगुना या फिर चौगुना कर दें। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के प्रोडक्ट्स और कपड़े अगर आप बेचेंगे तो आपके ग्राहक होंगे खुश और संतुष्ट। यदि आप केसरिया टेक्सटाइल्स के साथ व्यापार करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें फोन कीजिए या फिर विजिट कीजिए केसरिया टेक्सटाइल की सूरत मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पर। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार का मतलब है लाभ। केसरिया टेक्सटाइल के साथ व्यापार करके कपड़ों के कामयाब व्यापारी बनिए।
सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया। साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।